is set and what is map? What was the differences between both? Speak fast. We will go for quick 5-minute quick revision. What was that? Set and map. Hello.
Combination
Yes, sir.
of unique value.
Okay, so set is
Combination
the
of unique value.
don't tell combination, tell collection. That is proper. Okay, so set is a collection of unique value. Fine. So different method was there in the set. How to create the set? How to create the set? See, please speak fast.
New set, a new keyword.
1 second. Why others not speaking? No one. Roshan, what happened?
Say I was not joined class that time.
Then it will be useless this class. Really, I will tell. Because this topic is in the middle. This is not a new topic. Let it to be. Dharmender, Vivekanand. If suppose nobody is speaking, then why are you going for the revision? I will go on the topic. Let it to be. So we was covering the map operator. In map, we had seen that different methods was there. Okay. And after that, just 1 second. Let me. See, if you had missed the class, you have to go through the video, you have to revise. Don't tell that I was not there, so I not done. That's in your loss. You have to go through the tutorial, you have to complete that. Otherwise, this is a programming language. Everything is depending on the previous topic. Okay, so previously we had seen the map operator, and in map operator, what we had seen that how map going to create. So we was creating map with the help of a key and value pair. Okay, so in map we had passed the data in this format. Like here we had passed the array on the top, and after that inside we had make the collection of array type itself. But here we have to pass the data in form of key and value. So how we will pass the data? Recording is going on. Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
So how the data is available in the form of key and value, so that we have to pass inside the array type. And when we passing multiple data, so that time we have to pass the data with the comma separated and in the array symbol, means inside the array itself. But there we will see that inside the array two data are available. One is a roll and second is 25. So roll become the key and 25 become the value. So key you have to pass within single quote. Otherwise you will get the error. Okay, so same thing. Now what we had done, we had created the map. How we created? We had created with the help of a new map operator, or you can tell method. Okay, so with the help of a new map we had gone and created that one. Okay, same thing, we had compared the differences between both set and map. So one thing, who all had missed the class, I will tell one point, that this is most important part of your programming language, whether you going for the Java, Python, .NET, all languages. Okay, this you will get in all language, I think. What about Java side? I think Dharmender, you know Java. So in Java also set and map is available or not? It's available there.
Same thing is there, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's I
like
telling you are studying just JavaScript, but the topic which we are covering like array, for loop, while loop, this is not the topic specific or not the programming language specific. Okay, this is common for all the programming language. That is the thing. But if you will not get, and in the interview, whether you are attending JavaScript or Java interview, anything, person will ask these all questions. If you going for the any MNC high level company, okay, so be careful. So in set, what we by doing, we was creating the data, means we was creating the set. How? With the help of a new set. Okay, and inside the set means inside parenthesis, we can pass any type of data. Same thing we was doing in the case of a map. We was creating with the help of a new map. And in the map, what we was doing, not inside the parenthesis, we was passing data inside the array type. And inside array, we was creating object. And we had seen that previously we was creating object with the help of which one? Curly braces. Okay, but in the case of map, we providing the data in the form of key and value, but it is not like curly braces, it's like inside the array symbol. Okay, so this was the differences in both the case. After that, what we had done, we had tried to get the data from the map operator. So how to iterate the data? You can tell that we can access the data. So how we was accessing the data? We accessing the data with the help of a iteration. We was iterating the value. So where we was iterating the value? Let's see in the above. I think it was available. New set. Okay. Okay. So the we had not done up to there. So now today we going to access the data from the map one. Fine. So up to this, if you had missed the class, then also you got somewhat overview. Now we will look over the next method of the map operator. So map operator. So how we will create the map? Let's say create first. It will be get method, size property, delete hash method. 1 second. Oh, that was just that itself. Yeah. So how we was creating the map? We was creating the map with the help of a new map method. Okay. And with the help of a new map, we can pass the data. Same thing we can do with the help of a set also. Means we can create with the help of set also. So whatever operation we had done in the case of set, same thing is available for map also. So we will not go and repeat that same operation. Okay. Somewhat overview, just we will look over that. Let's see how we can create that with the help of a set operator. So here what we had done, here it's one map going to be created, new map. After that, fruits dot set, with the help of set data is passing there. So we are going to pass the data fruits dot set, and after that key and value data is available. Okay, and then we are accessing one data only. So let's copy the code and do this thing. Okay, so this line going to create your map. After that, with the help of set one, we are going to create the map. We are passing the value. We are assigning the value to the map one. And now we going to access the value. So how to access the value? So we can access with the help of the variable. Let's do one thing. Console.log and fruits fruits and save. Okay, so what we had done, we had written something and we can check in the console whether we getting anything or not. So what are you thinking? We will get any output in the console, or what output will be available? How much data, how many data are available in the map? Is there any data? So now map having 3 data. map having 3 entry, because what we are doing with the help of set also we can create the map one. So we are passing the data with the help of a set, and lastly we are going to access the map. So which variable it is? So with the help of fruits. So here we are passing the value. So on 0th key is apple and value is 500. Here key is something, then value is something. Then here key is something, value is something. And same thing, if you want to access the length, how you will do that? How to access the length of the map? With the help of which operator?
Dot length.
Dot length.
Size.
Type of, sir.
Size.
Dot
Type
size.
of.
No, sir.
I want the
Size,
size
sir,
of the
size.
map. So size
Size,
is
sir.
with the
Dot
help of
size,
size.
sir.
Dot size, and that is
Yeah,
method
dot
or
size.
property. So that is a property. Okay, let's see. It given 3 because total 3 data is available there. Correct. Now I want to pass the data and one more data. Copy that. Otherwise, just copy this 3 itself and pass. And let's save. What happened? Why we got 3 only? What is the reason? Now it have to 6, but it not given 6. It giving 3 only. What is the reason?
Because duplicate value do not consider inside the
Not
table.
yeah. So
Duplicate.
duplicate key, not the value. Okay.
Yeah,
Duplicate value will be not the matter, but see, I going to remove s. Now see, it become 4. Correct. But value is again the 200 itself. Correct or not? Now see that. Total 4 value. 4 entry, orange having 200 and oranges having 200. Values are same, but the main thing is the key. So duplicate value,
Key.
it will not take. So let's say add the same value. And now see that. So orange, because all are the duplicate value. That's why it's considering only unique value. Means it's not going to take the all value. If we want a duplicate value also, we will not go with the set or map. We will go with which one? If we want duplicate value to contain in our data, which one we can go? How to store duplicate value also? Means I want this complete output. Whatever a duplicate is also there.
In
We can
array
go with,
method only.
yeah, so we can go with the array object, those are
method
available.
only.
Correct. So those we can give. So this way we can access the data, we can iterate, we can do all the new operations, all the operations over the map one. Whatever we had follow in the set case, we can do same thing. Okay, let's access one data. One data in the sense. Just 1 second. duplicate entry. Duplicate entry. Okay, now I want to access the data. Means suppose 500. How to access? So fruits. Let's see fruits dot. What we can write? Can we write directly that apples? Will it give us?
No, sir.
No. Then how we can access the value 500? So let's see. If you want to access the value, what method is there? Get method. Okay. So we will write there get. So remove this. Sorry. Give here fruits dot get. Okay. And after that you have to pass a key. Now why not passing key? Let's see what error we getting. We not got any error. It given undefined, but we want value. Which value? Suppose I want to access orange. Let's say pass inside this. Who is on unmute, please? So here we will pass the key, and once you pass the key, you will get the output. So orange 1200. Got it? So this way we can access the particular data. But if you want to iterate all value, what you will do? You can do with the help of a for each operator, for loop. Means you have to go with the looping. Then only it will iterate the completely. I will not do and go. I will not go and do that because in set already I had done that. So you can check by your end. how you will do that. And on each loop, what you will do, you will pass this one. Okay, so you have to, it's better go with the for loop, because on each I you will get this parameter, means this one, and you can pass the value, you will get that. Then second is the size property. With the help of this, we can get the value. Next, delete one. So what it going to do? Delete one. So delete, it will remove the data from the where? From your map or set. In set also, I think the same thing was there. Is that or not? Okay. So fruits dot delete. What it will do now? Now it will delete the value apple. Means do one thing, comment this line. Anyway, okay. Now it will delete the apple from there. But let's see. It is deleted. But how I will know that whether it got deleted or not? We have to make one variable. Let DELVALUE value equal to, and now put inside the console. What you thinking? What it will return? Will it return the deleted value? Will it return the key or something like one success boolean? What it will return? What is your
Key value.
key value? Means say the apple data. Let's see what it going to return. So what it given? It given true. Line number 18.
True.
See. Okay. So once you deleted the value, you will get that true condition. But I want to check the data now. After deleting, how much data are available? How to check? What I will do? Console.log, and who will give the remaining value? How to get the data after the deleted one?
Del value dot length, sir.
That
No
What
need
size?
that.
Yes.
One second. Wait. Sweta,
the
this is
print
not.
feature.
One second, Sweta, this is not array. Okay, so length will not work. This is set or map. Here size is working. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So if that will be array, then you can go with the length property. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is not the array or object, so length will not work. You have to take care. This is set or map, so this is size will work here. Okay, so what I want the remaining value. Just do one thing. Who is the value, means which variable going to contain all the data of map? So fruits one, correct? So that's why I going to write the fruit on the last also, means after deleting I going to again call the fruits one, and let's see how much it's giving. See this, it given the 2 entry only, because we had deleted which one? Apple we had deleted, that's why we got the 2. So whenever there is a requirement like that, after deleting how much values are there, or after deleting the data from your database, suppose that you had deleted some a student from your table, okay, and after that you want to check that how much records are available now, what you can do, you can call that variable again after that step, because line by line execution, so it will give you the final output, remaining balance value. Got it or not? So this way we can check the deleted value, and we can delete the data, and after that how much pending data is there, that we can check. Any issue up to this? Tell me. Anyone? Any issue?
No, sir.
No problem? Everyone getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the most important topic, okay? So please be
Map
concentrated.
or set, both are not considered a duplicate value. Both are
Yeah,
not
yeah.
contain duplicate.
Correct. Both are giving unique value only. But the difference is that set, there is no key value pair. In map, key value pair is there.
Key value pair.
Yeah.
Set
That,
like array, but it's not contain duplicate value.
Yeah, correct.
And map like object, it's also not contain duplicate value.
Next, hash method. What it going to check? It will check whether that key is available in your map or not. Okay. So now I going to check that. So what are you thinking? What it will return? True, false, or 1, 2, 3, 4? What it will return? Means how we will get the data output. Let's write in the console. So fruits dot hash, and we had passed the key apple. So what are you thinking? Apple is there available. What we will get? Tell me output.
False, sir.
We will get false. Why?
Apple
Because
is not available in this.
see this key is there, apple.
Sir, but we delete that value in, sir.
Yeah, correct. So we had deleted on this line, we had deleted the data apple. So apple will be not available now. So it should have to give false. Let's see. So we got the false on line number 22. Okay. So it had deleted. Let's do one thing. Apple was there, then it given false. Suppose that be writing something. Okay. Let's see what it giving. It again giving false because this value itself not available there. Got it? Okay. So fruits dot apple, fruits dot hash, we had checked. What was hash operator? Fruits dot hash. Okay, that we are checking for that one. Okay, so now we done this one. Any doubt up to this? See, some methods is there. You can check, but mostly we had covered all the methods in the set and map. So any issue in the set and map, and tell me. If you want to iterate, what you will do? You can go with the for each, and it going to iterate with the help of key and value pair, and then you will get the value. Okay. If you want, let's see this also. So see here, what it going to do? It taken that fruits dot for each. Okay, and inside for each, what they doing? They are taking function value and key as a argument, and inside that they had taken that one. Fine. After that, they are going to add that all the value there, and then it's means it going to combine that one, and it going to take the output. It means what it going most important or most thing, what is main thing is this, that for each it going to iterate that one. Okay, iteration is the main, this value and key, because they want the to print there, that's why they taken. Otherwise no need, because I want to iterate the loop. Iterate, you will get the data. Got it? And see, in each entry key is there and value is there. Let's iterate this. You will got something more. 1 second. First, where is the delete one? Delete one is this one. Comment this line. Otherwise, it will delete always. Remove this line completely, and check how to get that data now. We will use the for each. Let's see what we will get. Console.log and response data, and pass this one here. Oops, sorry. Text is not required. Let's see to be not an issue. Let's see what we got. So what we got here? We got the each value 500, 300, 200. Each value we got means after iteration. But we want a key and value both. Then how we can get? Means it going to show key and value each thing. So see here, They taken one function, and inside that they had passed the key and value. Okay, and on each iteration they taken this looping. That then only it had got. So do that thing. Make one function. Function, this is without name. So what is this function? Function without name. What is that? Key comma
Anonymous
value.
function.
Anonymous function, correct. So let's say write console.log key plus value. Let's see, be getting the output or not. Anything is error? I not thinking. So what happened? We got the 500 and apples, but I want, why it given like this type? Opposite. Oh, I think then this one is taking value. That's why. First argument. Yeah, first parameter giving this one, I think. Yeah. So first, when you passing the data, first is it value, second is one the key. So we had passed the same thing. First is value, second is key. We got the data, and you want, you can store the data. That's it. Got it. So this way we can iterate the data, we can loop, and we can pass on the UI. So suppose if you want to pass on UI, let's pass on UI also. Anything is there? Yeah, ID demo is there. Okay. So document dot get element by ID, and what is the ID? Pass demo dot inner HTML. Anything we can write. It's not compulsory that inner HTML or text only. And what is that value? Key and value. Okay. So pass here key plus value, and let's see whether we getting. Yeah, we got. But what is the issue? Issue is that we had got orange 200. What about the apple, banana, those data? How we will get? Look over the code. We had got the last value only. Why not the other one? And how we will get those data? What I will do? We got all data, but it came in single line. I not want in the single line. What we will do? I want to break the line. How to break?
Pass BR tag, sir.
BR tag where?
Inside the double quotation.
Here. Sorry.
After one executing, sir.
So pass here BR tag. Let's see what happened. Oh, that's error. We got the data in the new line. So this way we can write HTML or we can print the data on our UI. What was the issue? Why we was getting the last data only when we had not done this plus equal to? And what is this plus equal to? What is that plus
sir,
equal to? Yeah.
it is work like concatenate assigning
Yeah.
value, sir.
Assignment operator type. So it going to assign the value and it going to concatenate on itself, like that it's going on. Okay. And when we want separation, so we can pass this HTML here. But if I will take inner text, will it work or not? What are you thinking? Output will be same or different? If I going to take inner text, output will be same or different?
That BR tag also it shows, sir.
BR tag.
So BR tag will also show. Let's see. So we got the BR tag. But what is the use of BR tag? BR tag, we want to break the line. We not want to print on the UI. Why this got printed? Because Now it's treating everything in the form of normal plain text. Got it? It's not rating as like HTML, that BR tag is HTML tag, but it's not rating. That's why we are taking inner HTML. Okay, so it will treat that this is not the plain text, this is your HTML. So it will treat like HTML. Got it? Anyone having any issue up to this? Tell me. We completed set and map. Your set and map got over. Anyone having any issue? Let me know. No problem or all problem.